2. Take your red dye and put 2 drops of it into your water. 1, 2. And then mix it well with your stirring stick. So after mixing, you will get a red color solution. Step 3. Take your baking soda and add half scoop to your beaker. And shake it well. You have to shake it well for the baking soda to go into our solution. Step 4. Add your 20 ml vegetable oil into your beaker. Please do this process slowly. So after adding your 20 ml vegetable oil, the solution will look like this. Step 5. Take your citric acid and add a half scoop to your funnel. And shake it well. Slowly goes up to the oily layer and then your solution starts to fizz up. The science behind this is, as you saw in our previous experiment, the fizzy magic potion, the bubbles of carbon dioxide was being released into the air. But in this experiment, the bubbles slowly get released into the top layer of the vegetable oil because oil is more quicker